Good morning, YouTubians and fellow hobbyists. Well, still had no coffee.
Best part of waking up is coffee in your cup.
Yes, and since I didn't have none, today's show, we're gonna talk about, we continue the build of course, and want to talk about my building speed. First, as always, I continue with the coffee and you go to the riddle. What was special on the pop-up front lights? A. They rotated. B. They had a blue lens. Or C. They followed the steering wheel. The answer is always the end of the show. Okay. So this week we tried to get some paint on our little baby. But look for yourself while still working on my coffee down in the garage. This week in the garage, we continued with the fine-tuning on the body kit. That means a lot of bondo, a lot of sanding, and a lot of bondo, and a lot of sanding. After a long time eating dust for breakfast, we're ready to put some primer on that thing. And finally, we're ready to paint it. After painting, there were two little spots that we had to fix, but rather than that, I'm happy with the paint job. I still had that huge hex spoiler laying around from a different builder. I not even remember which one, but it fit really well on that body. And of course we added some decals also out of our old assortment. I kept the interior very simple, just put the seats in and the steering wheel. I didn't want to go too far. My main focus on the build was the body. But that's all for now. Now back to the studio.
After a visit from Juan Valdez,
With coffee in my
cup.
tests. Okay, so first a sip.
Best part of waking up is coffee in your cup.
Okay, this week I want to talk about my building speed. Well, not the building speed in the morning, but people ask me why I build so fast. Well, of course there's nothing wrong, but take your time and take a couple weeks, couple months, or a whole year to build your model. Well, I'm sure when I'm where I want to be, I want to do that too. Will it take my time? But at the moment, I see myself still in the phase where I'm learning. And if I take always 6 months or 3 months to build a model, well, that means all my skills, I practice them just every 3 months or 6 months. That's why I made a rule to myself. Until I'm really happy with all my skills when it comes to painting or detailing or whatever, I don't want to take any longer than 1 month for each build. So that means every skill I practice at least once a month. And that's why I'm always try to get 4 weeks for one model. But now, to the riddle. Here in Europe, the GT had a lot of fans, and one reason of that were his pop-up lights. But what was so special on those lights? The answer in the riddle. So, and as we always keep the best for the rest, here we have something that we like at most on this channel rather than building models, and that's shop cards. So this week we have kinda two. One is this guy here, the scale model vamp. He has not a shop card. You can load it down from his channel. Nice guy, check out. He started out his channel. Give him a subscriber. He deserves it and he needs it. And then we have in our mailbox a shop card from Alex. And Alex just built lastly a Porsche Carrera. Which is a really nice build, and he's also good with airbrush. And let me see what he got for me. Okay, here is, oh yeah, this is Alex Workbench. Check it out. Nice guy, cool channel. And there's something else. Oh, and he has a little sticker for me, Tamaya. Okay, so check out those two channels. Thank you guys a lot. And to the next segment. Well, another Saturday morning show comes to an end. We hope you enjoyed a few minutes with us and you'll be inspired for whatever project is this weekend. So, see you next Saturday. But now, love and friendship. Something you can't buy. Respect all people and keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday though.
And don't forget to drink your coffee.
Hello YouTubians and fellow hobbyists! Welcome to another Saturday. Nope.